So this is a Mamiya 7 and it is an incredible camera, but unfortunately this medium format 6x7 rangefinder is far from cheap. So if it's not on your budget, no worries, as there are many other great alternatives. For instance, the many medium format Fuji rangefinders, which come in all different formats. So in searching the extensive inventory at KEH, I came across this Fuji GW690, which, like the Mamiya 7, is a rangefinder, but it costs a third of the price, and it's a 6x9, meaning that I get an even bigger negative. So I loaded up a roll of Portra 400 in both of these cameras, and using the exact same settings, I shot them side by side, and believe it or not, I couldn't really tell any difference between the results other than the form factor. Both cameras produced incredibly sharp results and packed a lot of detail. Now, obviously this camera lacks some features that the Mamiya 7 does have. Most notably, it doesn't have a built-in light meter, and it also doesn't have interchangeable lenses. But for a third of the price, this camera was a pleasure to shoot with, produced incredible results, and truly is a great alternative to a Mamiya 7. But how about you? We'd love to hear what you think is the best cheap alternative to a Mamiya 7, and also let us know what cameras you'd like us to compare next, because we plan to do many more of these comparisons with KEH.